you see that they're charging a whole lot more than what they should for that boat insurance policy.
Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax in Clearwater with Jake Hill from New Coast. He's the director of boat insurance, and we've been going through some insurance topic questions, and something just kind of popped up in my head. It was just a question that if I've owned a boat, am I better off having a separate boat insurance policy, or everything's like package it all in, tie everything in together?
Yeah.
Is there pro or con to having a standalone versus one tied into the, let's say, my house and auto and stuff?
Sure. The pro for packaging it with your home and auto is really only going to be convenience, so that you can have it all on one bill.
Okay.
Other than that, it's almost always better to have a separate boat insurance policy, and that's not me just trying to sell more policies. You're going to have typically much superior coverage. You also don't want to, if you ever do happen to have a claim, you don't want that boat claim to affect your home and auto coverage.
Makes
so
sense.
Let's say something crazy happens in your boat, and then God forbid you have a total loss on that boat, you injure someone, whatever, and then you get your home and your auto policies non-renewed as a result. You don't want that. The other thing that we've seen many times over the years is that there are some companies that are fantastic with home and auto coverage and very competitive, but they are not very competitive on the boat. So although the convenience is there of just wrapping it all into one, when you separate it out, you see that they're charging a whole lot more than what they should for that boat insurance policy. Whereas our agency, many other specialists around the country, will shop the coverage around to multiple companies and give you a good boat insurance policy at a competitive price, and 9 times out of 10, it's going to significantly beat a lot of the home and auto coverages.
Cool. That makes sense. Thank you.
Very welcome.
So, once again, another great piece of information. Help you guys make your decisions out there on your boats. So we've handled some insurance questions with Jake, prior episodes, or they may be coming up, depends on how they get shuffled in the deck. We had Al here from our business office, so kind of the business aspect side of that. I hope that helps you guys out. So thanks again for watching. Comment below, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff, and we'll see you out on the water.